Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Hytale error server failed to boot. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So if you're playing the game and the server is not failing to boot and it's not working, all you have to do is to simply go to your start button and then write run. Then choose this option, and then from here you're going to type in this little box, this exactly right here, sysdm.cpl. Once you write this down, click OK. Then from here, you're going to go to the advanced section that is in this bottom. Then you're going to click on environment variables. Now, in environment variables, you're going to see many different options. One of them is going to be either the Java options, or the other one is going to be this one, -xmx512mem. So if you find any of these in the system variables, either in the OneDrive share folder or any of the others, then make sure to just click on it and then click delete, either here or in the bottom one up there. And so once you delete those, it should work totally fine. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.